Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. Is your once lush cypress tree turning brown and you have no idea why? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's uncover the secrets to reviving your tree. Cypress trees are hardy and can live for hundreds of years with proper care. But even these giants can face challenges that turn their leaves brown. Environmental factors play a huge role. Extreme temperatures, whether too hot or too cold, can stress your tree, leading to browning needles. Iron deficiency is another culprit. Without enough iron, your cypress tree can't thrive, and its leaves will start to discolor. Dehydration is a silent killer. If your tree doesn't get enough water, its leaves will wrinkle and turn brown, signaling distress. Pests like the cypress carpet moth and spider mites can wreak havoc. These tiny invaders feed on your tree's leaves, causing significant damage. But don't lose hope. There are solutions. From adjusting watering schedules to using insecticides, you can nurse your tree back to health. Prevention is key. Ensure your cypress tree gets enough sunlight, water it appropriately, and keep an eye out for pests to maintain its health. Pruning is also essential. Regular trims help keep your tree in shape and remove dead branches that could attract infestations. Remember, with a little care and attention, your cypress tree can thrive and remain a beautiful part of your landscape for years to come. Keep nurturing nature. For more tips, check out the full cypress tree care article in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips and plant care advice. Grower Today.